Yo, what's good? It's me, your boy Pico again. I don't know if y'all can hear me. It's Sunday, December 12th. It's around probably like 40. Supposedly it says like 40 degrees. But when you're riding a bike or electric bike, you feel like it's going like 30, you know. But I'm gonna do a short video. I think it's gonna be a short video. I'm not sure yet, but I got something new today. I'm actually writing something new. You're probably gonna be like, what? Why did you get that? You know? So I'm gonna go somewhere here in the beach for a little bit. I gotta go to the bank, and from there I'm gonna show you what I got. Or I could do the review right now. Like, I'm just gotta get a spot to show you what I got right now. But so stay tuned and you will see what I got. Alright? You guys can hear me, but it's really windy out here, you know. So I'm gonna try to keep it quiet for you guys. You know, I don't want to talk too much because it's pretty windy out here. I don't know if y'all can hear me, especially with my full face mask. All right, guys. It's cold, but I have two sweaters on, my full face, and I have a ski mask, almost like a ski mask, so I'm pretty good, you know. I'm not cold. My winter gloves, I'm trying to get like a bike glove, you know, better than this, but hey, this does the job right, you know. For now, keep it like that, you know. I don't know if y'all can hear me again, but this is a good spot. So I'm gonna show you my bike, what I got. Stay tuned, guys. All right. I hope you guys can hear me now. So you're ready to see my new bike? Ready? Bang! Super 73 S2. Finally, I got a new one on my name. And guess what? I know a lot of people are gonna ask me, why do you got a S2 if you already have one? Okay, first of all, I needed a second battery, you know. It's hard to get it. Like, I'm not trying to get a third party. I want to get like a second Super 73 battery. And guess what? Like, I think like a week ago, they announced they came out with restock the new batteries. And guess what? Guess how much the price was? Almost $1,200 with shipping, I think, or $100 shipping. I'm like, that's nuts, to be honest, for a battery, you know. But hey, everything's raising up. Everything's going up crazy right now. It's not only the bikes. Everything here in New York is crazy. But so then I realized, you know what, let me get a new Super 73 S2 because I like it. For me, it's the best. I know they have the RX, but I don't know, man. It is what it is. This is my opinion. I'd rather stick with the S2, you know. And to be honest, I'm gonna leave it just like that, all black, because I have my other S2 already modded a little bit on it. Like, I already put some upgrade on it, so This one, to be honest, I'm gonna leave it like that, all black. Maybe later on I'm gonna change some other color or whatever, but let me tell you, bro, let me tell you, this is amazing. The color, the Galaxy Black, I think, what do you call it, Galaxy Black, whatever. It's crazy, man. So I spend like almost, what, 3,000 around there. So, you know, it's me, you know. If you got more money, you could buy the RX, whatever. I'd rather stick with this one, you know. So I have a second battery, so when I go to, hopefully I'll go to Group Ride next summer, I should be good to go. And I don't know if you guys could notice, I think this one have a V3 motor, because I checked my other S2, it have like the first or second V motor, whatever, but I'm pretty sure this is the V motor. And I just noticed, because it make like a little bit noise, you know, like the other one make less noise. So I'm pretty sure this is a V3 motor. It make, you know, noise really loud, but hey, it is what it is. So let me tell you what's different from this model from my other S2. I know they made a little bit upgrade. So I don't know if you can see, like right here, like in this right here, this, and my other one is like open space. On this one, they put this thing here. I don't know what you call it, but you know what I mean. They put this one because a lot of people, when they crash or had a complaint, they used to crack the frame like around here. So I guess they put this to protect it a little bit more stronger, you know, and that's really good. That's what I noticed. I noticed that. I know they changed the V3 motor and and the battery. I don't know if you could tell. It's like almost like a maybe matte sticker, Super 73 battery. And hey, it's better than the other one, to be honest. I didn't like the other one. The other one's like a little like glossy, whatever you call it. But hey, this is a nice battery. That's what I gotta say. That one, you know. And to be honest, I like this black Super 73 than my other one, to be honest. And I put these two lights so maybe you can see it look dope for me. So so far it's good, man. I don't need to put a lot of things on this, you know. I have my second battery. I should be good, you know. So hopefully I make good videos. Definitely going to the city on the summertime, group ride for sure. And other than that, just have fun, man. And this is what I'm wearing right now. I know you already saw my video. I like this, man. This is really good for the winter, but the summer, I don't know, man. Not recommend wearing with this goggle, man. You get too hot. But so far it's good, man. Yep. And I like this bike, man. Beauty, man. Got my radio, and not my radio, what do you call it, a Bluetooth speaker for my music. I have a mirror, my phone, whatever, mount, and I put my GoPro. And that's it, guys. You know, you probably guys like, dang, this guy's crazy, he bought another S2, but I just did it for the battery, and I wanted a new one. Because and the other one, I don't know if I had an accident like maybe two months and something half ago. I broke my toe on the bike down there by Newdorp, and I was off for a month. The bike, I didn't see the speed bump, and shit happens, you know. But now I'm back. Even though it's cold, I still ride in a little bit when I can. But when it's not, when it's really cold, that's a no-no, you know. But yeah, it's pretty nice out. It's not that cold. And the other, I don't know what happened, but the motor from my other S2 makes some weird noise. I already contact Super 73, but oof, it take too long to respond back to you, you know. But hey, I'm happy I got this one, and that should be good. But in the other motor, it works, but I feel like it's gonna, sooner or later, it's gonna stop on me wherever I'm going, wherever I gotta go, you know. And I'm sorry. And the third I noticed was the frame. I mean, not the frame, the rim. It's like a glossy color. That one looks nice too. I don't know if you can see it. My other one that I have is like a matte color, but in this one, it's pretty nice. I don't know if you can see by the sun, but look, I like this one. Nice, you know. But yeah, guys, I really recommend getting a Super 73. I like the style, you know. I had a juice bike, I had a sander, a red bike, something, whatever you call it, and now this is my second Super 73. And I had an electric scooter, but I already sold that one. That one's a little scary and dangerous, so I better stick with my bike, you know. But yeah, I'm down here by the beach on Staten Island, and just trying to show you guys what I got, you know. So let's get to a little ride bike around here. All right, guys. Hey guys, so I guess that was a short video, because what else you want me to record around here? You already seen me riding my bike on the island, because I'm an island boy. It's crazy, but yeah, like I said, so hopefully I do a video next summer. Probably go to the city, Brooklyn Bridge, do something, you know, with my new Super 73, and go to definitely group ride for sure, man. So I'm just wanted to tell you guys what I got, and I'll probably do some videos to see on the snow, if we get snow here in New York, you know. But other than that, that's about it, man. All right, guys, peace.